Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Okay. Yeah, my screen is visible, right, Rajesh?
Yes, it is visible.
Yeah. Thank you, Rajesh. Thank you. Can we start now?
Yes, proceed.
Yeah, thank you, Rajesh. Good evening to one and all present here. So we are delighted to welcome our one-day webinar under the title of How to Maintain Healthy Research Profile. This is Dr. Sathishkumar, Senior Project Associate from IIEST Shibpur. So basically, I have completed my PhD from National Institute of Technology, Agartala in the year of 2025. I have completed a bachelor and masters and the MBA from bachelor's and masters from Anna University and the MBA from Madras University in the year of 2019. So totally, I have 9+ years of teaching and research experience, and I have published more than 35 research articles and acting as a reviewer and editorial board member. Channel. So this is a short bio about myself. So this workshop we are dedicatedly present that the research profile. So research profile is most important. So it is the identity of the researchers. But even those most of the researchers I can see well established researchers also, they are not maintaining the research profile effectively. So I will show some of the research profile. They are not adding the keywords. They are not mention the affiliation. They are not verify the official email ID. And they are frequently add and delete that research article. It may be sometime the research article, it may be the similar name, it may be added in our profile wrongly. So that time we can remove that article from our profile. So apart from that, sometimes the article is published from the publisher, but the article is not synchronized to the research profile. So that time also we want to add and another person article may be added in our profile. We can delete. So some of the maintenance work is most important to showcase our research, recent research and expertise and the different aspects. So I want to discuss about. There are different type of the research profile here. So I don't want to waste your time. So one more information I want to tell here. So if you have any queries during the session, so you can unmute yourself and discuss with me. So during the session, don't use the chat box. So it will be interrupt the session. So if you have any queries, you can stop at any time. So you can speak your mic. So that will be most. You can wait. So we will about that. What about your queries? Okay. So today I want to cover, these are the outline I want to bring for you. So first one is the introductions of research profile. So what are the research profile is there? So what is the research profile? So what you want to showcase it through the research profile to other fellow researchers or institution or PhD supervisor, so like that. So I want to give the brief introduction about that research profile, and after that I am moving on the importance of research profile. Why we want to manage the research profile? Why we want to maintain the research profile? So I want to clearly mention with the important points. And types of research profile. There are different type of the research profile is available. It may be some of the profile. It may be familiar with you. It may be some of the profile. It's not familiar with. So I will let you know. So what are the research profile I'm personally manage in my career. So if you don't aware about that profile, you can create the profile. It is a free of cost. No one can pay it for this research profile. So anyone can create the profile, showcase showcase their research expertise to that to the research community. And specific use of research profile. So what is the specific use? So there are Google Scholar, ResearchGate, and IINS profile is there, Vidwan profile is there, and Orchid profile is there. There are different type of the profile is there. So what is the specific use of that research profile, and a demonstration of live research profile inside. So this is my agenda today. So I want to start from the introduction. So research profile. So research profile serves as a professional identity for the researchers. So that is the most important things. This is the identity for us. So research profile is the most important. It will to showcase the research affiliation and the research expertise and the publication and the research impact to the wider audience. So wider audience means who? That the fellow researchers, collaborators, journal editors, funding agencies, recruiters, and institutional authorities, especially when associated with the reputed organization. So this is that generally the research profile is nothing but it's a professional identity. So we want to showcase through the research profile our research affiliation and research expertise and publications to whom we want to showcase. So our fellow researchers, collaborator, journal editor, funding agencies, recruiter, and institutional authorities. So what are the different type of that research profile is that before going for the different research profile, what is the importance? So why we want to manage the research profile? So what are the things we can acquire from the research profile? So first one is academic background. So through this research profile, we can showcase our academic background and affiliation history. So because the recent days, if you are working in the research after PhD, it maybe you transfer, you can find new job, means you can quit that old job. So that affiliation you want to add. So that research profile, it will be showcase of our recent affiliation and where we are playing the vital role in that research community. So second one is the current research interest and expertise, because every research profile, they are asking for the research interest and or research expertise. So in this research expertise, you can say example of the I'm working the biomaterial. So I have mentioned my keywords, the biomaterial and the solid mechanics, biomechanics, and biomechanics. And 1 minute, Rajesh. I think some person facing issue for just 1 minute. Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience. So somebody facing the issue for joining. So current research interest and expertise we can showcase through our research profile and publication record. That is the most important things. If you are going for any job and any promotion, so your publication playing the vital role. And that publication, it will be generally they are taken for different sources. There are different type of the sources is there. First one is the Google Scholar profile is there. There are different type of the citation. There are different type of the matrices is available. So Google Scholar given one set of the citations, and Scopus given the another one part of this one part of that citation matrices. And then it again it will be going for that. If you go for the Web of Science, it is showing the other matrices. There are different citations based on the journal indexed to that particular database. It will be showing that it will be showing that it will be showing the citations based on the journal article which is published by the indexing databases. So it can be possible we can showcase our showcase our publication through that Scopus and Web of Science profile. And research impact matrices, obviously I mentioned that citations and the H index index, I-10 index. So we can showcase through your research profile, and a peer review and editorial contribution. So that is also possible nowadays. The Web of Science is recognized the reviewer who review that particular research article under the Web of Science indexed journal. So you can add when you are submitting your review comments. That time they are asking whether this review is recognized in your profile or not. So that time you can mention the yes. You can mention the yes means obviously it will be automatically added in your Web of Science profile. So anyone want to see your profile that time, that number how many articles you are reviewed already. So that data also which is available in this Web of Science profile. And the editorial contribution. So if you are playing the vital role in that editorial board, it may be the associate dean, associate editor, and assistant editor, or editorial board member. That is also possible. We can showcase through the research profile. So it will be more helpful for identifying the researchers who involving this particular research related high impact factor to work. And research funding, we can showcase that research funding, how many research funding project we are acquired last 1 year or last 2 years, how many project we are acquired, how much money we are acquired from the different funding agencies. So that will be showcased through our research profile. And the awards, what are the awards we are acquired from that in this particular research field. So we can showcase that also. And recognition. So every year the Stanford University is issued a top 2% of scientists to recognize research work, which is more helpful for, which is more related to that Google Scholar citation. So based on the Google Scholar citation, the top 2% scientists recognized worldwide every year. So that are all the things we can possible. So that is most important. We want to maintain our research profile healthy. And authorship detail and research collaboration. So authorship detail is nothing but authorship. No, it may be that it may be one article I have published to first author, and second article I am third author. So that is called the which role we are playing, which author role we are playing, first author, second author. We can showcase our research profile. And collaboration. So what are the collaboration we have done, and what are the grants we are acquired from that funding agency. So everything we can showcase our research profile. So these are all the things most important for maintaining healthy research profile. Apart from that, so simply I want to tell that I want to summarize this. The research profile giving the identity for the researchers, and it will be given the credibility of the researchers, and the visibility of the researchers, and the engagement and growth. So these are all the things we can achieve from that healthy research profile. So here I have mentioned there are different type of the research profile here. So what are the things I have used? I have maintained my profile in the different platform. So which is starting from the Google Scholar, ResearchGate, Scopus, RSeed, Web of Science, IINS, the Indian Research Information Network System, and the SCI profile. It is provided by the MDPA journal, and the Live DNA, and the Loop profile. Loop profile is provided by the Frontier journals, and the Research ID. It's an independent body. Obviously, everybody know that LinkedIn. So these are all the things. The effective research, we can share our research finding and the research publication and the research insight through the various platforms. So it will be creating the networking. It will be getting the most citations, and we will recognize the top 2% scientists, and it will be more helpful for that acquiring the. So these are all the things we can. These are all the tools I want to discuss today. So specific use of research profile, there are different type of the research profile I have mentioned here. So Google Scholar, example I'm taking from the Google Scholar. So Google Scholar, it will be helpful for track publication, citation, H index and I-10 index automatically. So most of the journal published by that Web of Science, or Web of Science indexed journal, or Scopus indexed journal, or other indexed journal, unrecognized indexed journal also. So all the journal minimum they are acquired the Google Scholar indexing. So all the article it will be available in the Google Scholar. If you seeing that Google Scholar citation, say like a total citation and H index, so you can compare with that Scopus citation and H index, it will totally different, because the Google Scholar, all the journal citation will be available here. But in the Scopus indexed journal, Scopus indexed database, it will be only showing for the which article is published by the Scopus indexed journal, which article is cited by the Scopus indexed journal. So that will be totally different. So next we can go for the Web of Science indexing. So when we are going for the Web of Science indexing, that will be also very headache issues, because that if I example my Google Scholar citation is 249, but it will be reduced in that Scopus citation, and it will be more reduced in the Web of Science citation. So because database will be act like what are the article is published by the under Web of Science, what are the which is cited by that your article. So this is the different things. So minimum the journal is published article, they are accurate the Google Scholar. So most of that industries, most of that things, most of the time they are used for that. Continuously message is coming, it's irritating. Just 1 minute. Oh, sorry for the inconvenience. So Google Scholar, we can track the publication, citation, H index, and the I10 index. Automatically, it will be calculated based on your publication. And the ResearchGate, it is academic networking platform. So in this Google Scholar, so in the Google Scholar, you can add that article. It will be increasing the visibility of that article, but in the ResearchGate, it will be the more options available. Here also the citations available. Here also the citations available, and what is that? Networking options available. Question and answer sessions available. If you have any queries, research question, so it is not possible to solve by your research supervisor or anybody. So you can post that question to that ResearchGate community. And apart from the ResearchGate will be helpful for searching the research related jobs. So research related job means if you are looking for the postdoc, and if you are looking for the research associate, this type of the job notification also we can get from the ResearchGate. So the ResearchGate is especially for academic network platform to share the publication, collaborate with the researchers, and track the research engagement. So in that research engagement, how many members opened our read our article, how much citation we are accurate, so how many time, so that month wise, that is a month wise reading report, reading how many people read full article, how many members read, or normal read, how many members read your article, open your article. So everything we can, every information we can get from the ResearchGate. So that will be track the engagement also, it will be possible. And the Scopus, it is by the author profile, site matrices, and indexed publication status records. So if you are publishing the Scopus indexed journal, that article only visible in the Scopus database. So rest of the unindexed publication, it is not visible in the Scopus database. Similarly, Web of Science also, if you are publishing the Web of Science indexed journal, it is that only visible in the Web of Science profile. So nowadays the Scopus profile also, Scopus publication also, it's visible in that Web of Science database, but it is clearly mentioned that non-indexed publication. So if you are publishing Web of Science indexed publication 10 means 10, and the Scopus indexed publication is 5. My total publication is 15. So in the Web of Science profile, it total publication is 15, but indexed publication is 10, and non-indexed publication is 5. So they are clearly mentioned that. So how many Web of Science indexed articles you are published is so far. So offer the high quality citation indexing and the high impact analysis. So impact analysis also we can do that. So I will let you know, I will give the demo for all the profile. And with one profile, it's a Indian research information system. So which will be helpful for maintain the research profile, institutional data and national academic record. So these are all the things with one profile also we can open and we can maintain that. So in this with one profile, everything it will be, we can see what are the co-authors and what is our affiliation. You can link your other research profile to profile with one profile. So it's automatically automatically synchronized, or you can synchronize at any time. So with the IIEST profile and other on IIEST profile with the other research profile. And next thing is open researchers contributor ID. Though this is that Aadhaar card. This is the Aadhaar card for researchers, the unique 16-digit number for researchers. So, you know, similar name, it may be Dr. Sathishkumar. I'm Sathishkumar. So in my name, so many of Sathishkumar is there, same initial, same father name. So that time, so it will be difficult to understand the system. So who article, this article belongs to which author. So that is the issue they are facing. So they are introduced the ARCID ID. So it will be unique 14-digit number. So it will be linked with your published article or publication. So it will be easily categorized. It will be easily understand. So who who is the original author of that particular article. So this is a unique digital identifier to distinguish the researchers and connect publication across the platform. In the ARCID ID, all the platform you can your ARCID ID to all the platforms. So it will be easy to once the ARCID ID is connected, so all the research profile automatically updated monthly once or to weekly within 2 weeks. So 2 zones you can monitor that research profile is there. So loop, especially the loop profile is provided by that Frontier Journal. So it is integrates research activities, publications, grants, and peer review contribution. And the research ID, this is also one of the independent body. They are provided to the space for showcase our publication and research expertise, and you can link with all the research profile. So what are the research profile I have mentioned earlier? So all the research profile you can link with your research ID. And the SCI profile, also SCI profile it's provided by the MDPI publication. So multidisciplinary publishing unit. This is open access publication platform. So they are provided by the SCI profile for that individual researchers. So anyone can use anyone can create the profile and maintain the profile. So essay profile, it will be used for it will be more useful for showcase the publication, research interest, and collaboration. And finally, everyone know about that the LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is the best tool which is invented in 2003. So I think so far the more than 1 billion users are actively using the LinkedIn profiles. So in this LinkedIn profile also you can show your research finding. That actually it is a career development forum. So you can share your professional information such as education, work, publication. So what are the funding project you are acquired and awards and what and you get recommendation from others. Example for you, I have completed my PhD. So my supervisor can recommend to me. So he is a good researcher. So something about us. So that type of the recommendation it will be possible by that LinkedIn. So in the LinkedIn, there are different type of the benefit. It's the first one is the connect the academia and the industry. So the academic people and the industry people, everyone use for the LinkedIn actually. So it will be easy to collaborate with your research to the industrial people and build the professional brand. So you can you can create the page, and you can create that you can, if you have the startup, so you can call for the jobs, you can call for the person for particular position. So everything it will be possible through that LinkedIn. And expand the interdisciplinary network. So that is the most important things, because the LinkedIn is a common profile for every researcher or every industrial person. So it will be easy to collaborate with that interdisciplinary networking. So it will be possible. So it may be that I'm basically from mechanical, so I'm not only deal with the mechanical engineering mechanical and mechanical related engineering student, but I want to collaborate with the science and humanities and accounts and financing. So that is possible through the LinkedIn profile, and enhance the public visibility, because there are more than 1 billion active users available in the LinkedIn. So my suggestion is, if you getting anything, see, if you are promoted, or if you are getting published, or if you have got the project and awards, you can feel free to share LinkedIn profile. You can create your community. So it will be good impact in your research, and it will be good impact in your citation. So it will be lead to enhancing that visibility of the research, and enhancing the in researchers, and it will be easy to identify measures our what are the things we have done. So it will be more helpful for in the LinkedIn profile. So these are all the profile I want to share here. So next I will go for demo. Yeah. So first I'm starting from the Google Scholar. I think all are aware about how we will create the Google Scholar ID. So this is the thing. So you directly go to the Google Scholar in the Google. So first you click the Google Scholar, and here in the left hand side corner, it will be showing that my profile option. So once you click the my profile option, if you already having the profile, it will be showing just 1 minute. It will be showing yeah, it will be showing like this. If you have already profile, it will be showing like this. But if you don't have the profile, so it will be showing like this only. So you can type your name, affiliation, email verification. It should be that official email ID. So personal email ID it is not accepted. So if you should give that official email ID, the OTP or that verification mail will come. So you can verify that mail. So after that, that profile will be created successfully. So once the profile is created, so automatically, so based on that the name, it will be the article will be, some of the article will be added, some of the article is not added automatically. Sometimes you want to go for manual addition. So this is my profile. So this is my profile here from, I am starting from here. So I want to change my name. So you can click this the pen symbol. So once I click that pen symbol here, you can see. So my name is this. So what are the other names? In the publications, the last name is important. So some of the article I have published as Sathishkumar, some of the article I have published Shankar Sathishkumar. So I have given that another name. So if you have that another, if you have the more 2 or 3 or 5 name, means you can click that add button. So you can add your another name which is used for your publication. So here you can see affiliation is there. So senior project associate and my institute team. This is the issue they are telling. The researchers has failed to update that. So you want to mention that full designation and full your affiliation. That is the most important things. And finally, not finally, then next we can go for that area of interest. In the area of interest, we can show that what are the research expertise, what is the keywords of my research. So I have published more than 35 articles. What is the keywords? So somebody want to search, and some reviewer want to, some editor want to search search the reviewer for reviewing some particular article mean. So this type of the keywords playing the vital role. So yeah, based on minimum 5 keywords. So maximum 5 keyword only we can put here, but I told that minimum 5 keywords is most important to us. So don't some of the researcher I see, so only 1 keyword, 2 keyword, 3 keyword, that is not essential. That is not essential. So you can mention the more than 4 or 5 keywords. It will be helpful for identifying that researchers. It will be easy to showcase your research work in the research community. And the email for verification, so, and home page. So here you can give the link also. Once you click that link, it will be directly go for the Vidwan profile. This is my link. If you have the website, or if you want to showcase your LinkedIn profile, so anyone any link you can put over here. So it will be possible. That link will be redirected to that particular profile. So here you can see that home page is available. So I'm putting that click the home page. I'm here connected. Google Scholar is connected with that with one profile, so it is directly go to the with one profile. So you can link with the LinkedIn also. So this is the things Google Scholar. So here you can see there are different type of the citation matrices is there. Citations for 249 citations, and H-index 9, I-10 index 9. I think 9 article is cited more than 9 times. So it is called the H-index, and I-10 index is more than 10 citations. My article 9 article is accurate more than 10 citations. It is showing for that I-10 index 9. So this is the matrices. This is the matrices trends and history of the citation. So the per year wise. So you want to more year you want to see here. You can see here. You can click here. The remaining year also is visible. So you can analyze that year wise. So next you can see if you want to shortlist that article through the title or through the year. So there are 2 different options available, and here there are different options available. Add article groups and add article. This add article is you can type the title only. So based on the title, the article is available online. So you can select that article. So that article is not available. You can directly go to for the article add article manually. So you can add your article. So configure article update. So if you are clicking this, it will be asking for automatically update your profile when new publication is came automatically updated, or is not required for update. So this is you can give the automatically update. That is a better for you, because otherwise every time you want to add manually, it is not work out. So this is the Google Scholar profile. So kindly notice that here your keywords is most important, and the link any link you can give. So which is active, which platform you are actively present, you can redirect that link. So this is the most important. So next we are going for that ResearchGate. So ResearchGate also already mentioned that. So if you want to go to ResearchGate, you directly type the ResearchGate. Yeah, so here that options available, join for free. So before that, of 2016, I opened in 2016. So that time, if you want to join the ResearchGate, your official email ID is the most important. So personal email ID, they are not accepted, but nowadays they are accepting personal email ID also. So anyone can open the profile, so with the personal email ID. So this is the way. So which one? So what is your category? So you can select, and I am clicking that academic institution. So it will asking for the institution department. So this is the general sign up process. So you can create your profile like this way. So I have the profile directly. I'm going my profile. Yeah, this is my ResearchGate profile. So here I have mentioned my degree and my position and my institution name and what is the thing. See, this is the most important. This is that announcement banner. So like that, looking for the research collaboration in the biomaterial field. Anyone can see in these things. So if they are actively searching the collaborator, so that time they will know, they will contact to me, and we will make that collaborations with that particular researchers. So these are the most important. Most of the researchers fail to mention this. And one more things here, we want to personal email ID is enough for creating the profile. But if you want to batch, so here you can see the verified. So if you want to batch this verified batch, you want to record means you want to give that official email ID for verification. So then only you can get that verified symbol. So otherwise it is not showing here. So 6 months once we want to verify the profile, verify that affiliation. Affiliation means verify that email ID, official email ID. Then only this batch will be remains available. So otherwise it will be fed up. So here there are type of that column is available. This is the research. Total 65 research document I have uploaded here. And the status. So this is the status of that article. So here you can see one more thing I want to tell here. Here the citation 209. In my Google Scholar citation it's 249. So there are different type of that calculating indexes. So that is the things. Here you can see research interest 936.8. So here you can see the research interest. What are the things? 8.81% citation, 2.40% recommendation. Recommendation is nothing but if I am uploading my article, if not uploading my article, but I have mentioned my article, but if they want to full article, so but as per the publication norms, I'm not able to upload that full article in this forum. So it is not violating the copyrights. So so that times the researchers directly contact to me. This is the recommendation. So means so the researchers asking to full paper to their personal use. So that is called the recommendation. It will be included in your research interest score, and full text read and other reads. So these are all the things available. So your last 58 weeks, so 3,91,373 views are went, and 209 citation, and a recommendation 339 people are recommended my article. So here you can see there are different type of options available: research score and the citation and the recommendation and the full read. So this is the same data. It's a graphical view of this data. That's all. So apart from that, here you can see the question and answer sessions available. So here you can see ask the technical question and start discussion. So if you have the technical question, if you are facing any trouble in your research work, so that time you can post your research question elaborately. Anyone can respond. It will be helpful for sort out that particular problem. Or if you have the discussion, so I want to more insights about that particular topic, but we don't have that specific intention, but we need more insights about that particular research topic. Means we can start this discussion. So they will suggest, they will give the answers of what they are thinking. So and one more options available, the jobs. So here through the ResearchGate we can search the job also. Here you can see the principal investigator, data science, postdoctoral researchers. So based on the things also you can identify the research job. So you can apply anywhere around the world. So these are all the things possible through that ResearchGate. So here the notification will come. So every week notification will come, the citations, who are all following in your research article or your profile, everything it will be giving that notification, and a message, direct message, it will be filtered out here. So these are all the things for ResearchGate. And I'm going for the Scopus. So if you want to create the Scopus profile, so the Scopus profile we are not able to create a Scopus profile. If you want to get the Scopus profile, you want to publish minimum one article in the Scopus. So then only automatically the profile will create. So then only we can identify. So then once you can create that account. So once you through the official email ID or personal email ID, you can directly go to the link. So you can click that view my author profile. So in this author profile, so it is showing for the National Institute of Technology Agartala, because so far I have not published any article in this current affiliation. So only it is not showing my past affiliation. So don't worry about that. Once one article is published, affiliation automatically it will be there. The Scopus ID is available, so it is things. ArcID ID is available. It is integrated with that. If any article is published through the ArcID ID, is automatically updated here. So the citations and the total number of document 20 and the H index 6. So 6 article is cited more than 6 times. This is called the H index, like that. All the H index calculated the same mechanism only. So documents and cited by and co-author, how many co-author I have, how many co-author is available in my research article, and the topics. So these are all the things we can identify from that Scopus profile. And one more thing I want to let you know here, some researchers is facing issue, because when we are going for Google Scholar, in that Google Scholar we can manually upload the article and remove the article. It is possible, but Scopus it's not possible. So you want to give the request to that Scopus team, then only your article, it may be that another person article added in your profile, so you want to give the request. So or if you want to add your article is not automatically added in your profile, means you want to give the request. So where I want to give the request, this is a big question to researcher, because this interface is not user friendly. So first you can go for here, you can say request dashboard is available. Once you click the request dashboard, so here there are different type of the requests I have made by me. So regarding my profile, and you can here you can see, please check the Scopus support page. So once you click the support page, just 1 minute, it is loading. So here you can see initially I have two Scopus profile. I try to merge the two profile as a single profile. So that is the merge Scopus profile. It is solved on December 2025. So you want to put your new request. So here you can see my support question. This is my question. So you can go for the support center. Once you click the support center, you can see here access onboarding a feature. If you want to add more, if you want to add article, sorry, if you want to go to this topic is okay, but you don't want to go to this topic, here you can go. That email options available. So once you click the email option, yeah, this is the page. This is the actual page for adding and deleting article. You can give the request. Here you can see your role. You can mention here what is the subject, what is your question, and what attachment. So if your article, that is article belongs to you, so you can attach your article here. It's not belongs to you, you can go, you can it is not belongs to you, want to remove that article, means you don't want to attach anything. So here that options available. So contact reason why you are contacting the Scopus. So here there are different options available. So access, onboarding, user product, AI feature, add missing document, affiliate profile. Sometimes if the example, so I have recently joined IIEST Shibpur, but my old affiliation only available in my Scopus profile. After publishing my article, it is affiliation is not automatically changed, means I want to give the same request. So I'm here, I want to select this affiliation profile correction. So once you click the affiliation profile correction, so it will be asking for that. So yeah, it is not possible, it is asking for the profile visa. So if you want to add that missing document, so in this missing document means you can give that, you can upload your article here, what is your name, what are the contact details available, your country. So send your code here, then all the detail finish. So then you can send your question. So automatically it will be reached to the respective team. They will solve the problem within 7 to 15 days. So this is the way for accessing the Scopus support center. If you are facing any trouble in that profile, Scopus profile. Then I'm moving for that Web of Science profile. So Web of Science also same thing. So you directly go for Web of Science profile. Before that, it is that Bablan. Before that, it is not like it's not like a Web of Science profile. It is a Bablan profile. After that Bablan is connected, merged with the Web of Science. So now it will be available for the Web of Science. So in here you can see author profile. So the first link is available, the Web of Science knowledge, Web of Knowledge. So once you click that, here that option is available, sign in or register. Once you click the register button, so there are different type of the option. There are different type of the data is asked to you. So anyone can register. So anyone can get the profile. So once your registration is completed, the profile like this only. So this is my profile. So my ARCID ID also I connected here. So automatically it will be updated. I don't want to update frequently. Here you can see that is a matrices available here. Here it can be seen when the profile under the Bablan, only that Web of Science article only visible in that Bablan profile. But once it is merged to the Web of Science, it will be showing for that Scopus indexed publications also, but it is showing for that unindexed, non-indexed publication. So here you can see total document 16, 7 publication indexed in the Web of Science and 9 non-indexed publication. I have completed 13 peer review. So that is also mentioned here. So here it can be seen that H-index publication, some of time cited, and there are different type of that matrices available here. So once you click that, here beam plot also available. Here you can see the beam plot also available. You can add you can download the beam plot. So if you are facing any facing that appraisal means, that time you can show this type of the attractive plots, your growth of your publication journey. So it will be possible. So everything. This is also possible, but for that subscription. So peer review matrices 13 and 4 verified peer review last 12 months I have completed. So there are average review length. I have submitted my review as soon as possible, I think. So engineering. So it's just wait for some time. So it will be loading. So it will be showing for that where my collaborator and my publication and cited, who are also cited my article, which country they are belongs to, everything it will be showing here. So this is the way you can directly right click and save as this image or crop this image. So you can showcase your presentation. It will be more it's more attractive. It is more reliable also. So one more thing you can do here. So in the left side corner, you can see here there are different type of options available. Here you can upload your article, also grants. If you are getting any public funded project, you can add it here, peer reviews. So it may be that if that article, this journal is the Web of Science journal asking peer review means it will be automatically added in your profile. But if you are not, if that particular journal is under the Web of Science, it may be under the Scopus. So you can add manually that review in your profile, but they are asking for that mail. So mail means, so once we submitted the review comments, we will receive the mail. Thanks for submitting the review comments. Some gratitude mail will come now. That mail should be enclosed when you will add the peer review manually. So they will ask that particular mail you want to download and or you want to make the PDF and you want to upload that proof, then only your peer review will be added in this particular profile. And if you are playing the vital role in that editorial board and editorship in that by any journal, so editorial membership and the rest of the things you can see that. So these are all the things we can done through that Web of Science profile. So apart from that, so once your data is finished, so you want to convert this data as a CV. So here there are here that options available, export CV options available. Once you click this, so automatically it will be asking for the time. So once, okay. Here you can see there are different type of the options available. So email me my profile. So it automatically the profile is mailed to this particular email ID. Otherwise, download my profile. So otherwise, you can download as a QR code. So you can put your presentation. Okay, just 1 minute. It's downloading. Here there are different type of the options available. You can omit that. So what are the things you are required in this particular CV? You can make the check box. You can click the particular checkbox. Otherwise, you don't want means leave it. So based on your requirement, you can customize your ready-made CV. So this is the Web of Science CV for me. Here you can see my name and everything is available here. So everything available here. So apart from that, you need anything, so you can add or remove as per your convenience. So next we can move on that IINS profile. This is the with one profile. This is I think I don't know what is happening. Just 1 minute. So I will let you know that IINS, I think with one profile it's loading. I don't know, some issues is going on. Okay. Why it's logged out, I don't know. Just 1 minute. Okay, this is my with one profile. So with one profile also you can create as per your requirement. So here there are different my with one ID, the download CV. Here you can see this is the cumulative all the data which is available here. So it will be easily tracked by the publisher and the rest of the people also. So there are different type of the options available: personal information, expertise, experience, educational qualification, and everything is one by one. It's available here one by one. So everything it will be added by ourselves only. So don't worry about that. So you can add one by one. So what are the things? Publication, it will be automatically added. So in the left side corner, you can see there are different type of the academic identities available. So employer ID, RCT ID, Scopus ID, and researcher ID, and the Google Scholar ID. So you want to synchronize this means you can click that button. So here it is available. I think. Yeah, synchronize also is available here. Just 1 minute. Updater. Okay. Save. I don't know that option is not available now. Before that the synchronize options available. Once you click that button, automatically synchronize that article, that content which is available in that other research profile. Okay, so you can see that elaborately. So when you have the time, so you can sit and create that profile. Every profile, the profile photo is most important. So it should be HD. So it will be attractive. So then only it will be more attract the readers. So here you can see there are options and 16 article available, 5 others documents as a book chapter like that, and 2 awards. So everything is available in that profile. And next I'm going for RG. So RG profile, this is that academic identity. This is like Aadhaar card. So this is just my 16-digit. So in this 16-digit is connected to my all the publications. So it will be easy to segregate my publications which I published myself only. So here this is also there are different type of the options available. Anyone can create that ARCID ID. So this is my public record. So here you can see this is my public. So once you create a profile, it will be shown like that one. Sathishkumar, and it will show for my keywords and my affiliation. So there are different type of the email IDs available. So this is my personal email, 2 is my official email ID. The biography is the most important to that. So kindly creating that attractive biography. And what are your employment status, and what is the educational qualification, and publications. Once the ArchID infused with that publication, while we are going to publication, so kindly submit your ArchID along with your publication. So end of the article or initial first page also you can create the title of the article. So that places also you can put your ArchID. So anywhere you want to mention your ArchID, so the article will publish through the ArchID. It will be more helpful for you. It is not required for the tracking unwanted time waste. So again, here there are different type of the options available. Here you can see there are different type of the links available. So Google Scholar, ResearchGate, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, personal website. So you can add how many links you are available you have. So you can all the links here. So it will be more helpful for the researcher to identify you. It may be that it may be the most helpful for your research career. So next, other IDs also is available. Scopus ID we can link here, researcher ID, site profile ID, and loop profile ID. So everything is linked in here. So it may be that ArchID profile, it making any changes, automatically changes all the profile. So this automation is the most important nowadays, because if you are engaging the academic work, so you want to manage the academic and research work and student work. So everything we want to manage. So we want to see it every day. It is not work out like that. So you can create this automation. So it automatically will be update your profile once the new publication is came. So here you can see the different type of the keywords and content. So this is the way. Here also you can download your the data which is available in this particular data sheet. So this is reliable, so no one can change this. So if there are required any data, so you can create the data from this source. And next I'm going for SCI profile. So SCI profile, it is already I mentioned that it is provided by the MDPA publication. So there are different type of the options also available. So here you can see, you can mention your department name and institution name, what is the position of that. So you can link with ArchID, and there are different type of the things available. I'm background engineering background, so it will be it automatically selected here. Here the additional email, if you have any additional email ID, you can add here social links. Here you can see there are different type of what are the things I told here. So all the links is available here. So you can add your link here. You can ResearchGate link, Google Scholar, Scopus, Academia, LinkedIn, Facebook, all the link you can put over here. So it will be easy to track getting opportunity. So in nowadays the opportunity is very difficult to get to the researchers, because AI fulfilled all the things. So this type of the profile, it will be more helpful for us to showcase our findings. It will be more helpful for to present the global research community. This is that scope. This profile. Next, I'm going for the profile. Here you can see my name, my current affiliation, and my designation. Everything I have mentioned. There are different type of the options available here: bio, network, publication, editorial contribution, impact. So here you can see. So here also I have linked my ArchID and Twitter account and my personal website. So these are all the awards I got. This I'm not uploaded anything here. So everything uploaded, everything synchronized by that ArchID profile. So this is the way. So you can initially you can create all the profile, then you can link with RC. So automatically it will be update one by one. And live DNA profile. So this is also one of the profile which is helpful for the researchers. So here, just 1 minute. Okay. Yeah, here you can see biography. Yes, I'm not used last things, so only it is showing for that. I'm postdoctoral position in mechanical engineering domain. So here senior project associate, Department of Mechanical Engineering. So PhD student, highest degree. Here you can see how many books and chapters, article, abstracts are already published. So if you want to create create new profile, you can create that live DNA profile. So here you can see solid mechanics, how many articles I have published based on my publications, based on my keyword, it's mapping between that my keywords and publication. So these are all the things available. Here you can see my social links available. So my website and Twitter, RSeed and LinkedIn and ResearchGate profile. So these are all the things available. We can showcase our research finding through this live DNA profile. And after that, I want to conclude that research ID. So this is also one of the forum for showcasing our research findings, research publication and everything. So this is also good, I think. Just 1 minute, it is loading. Sorry for your time. So I will take 1 or 2 minutes. So I will conclude my session. Yeah, this is my research ID. Okay, I want to log in. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience. I forget my user credential. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Please hold. Yeah, this is my research ID profile. So Dr. Sathishkumar Shankar, my affiliation, everything here. There are different type of the options available. You can link every profile here also. So here your brief bio and education and digital academic CV you can upload here. And what are the things, my educational background and research, teaching and other interest, total number of publications, focus publication, number of the things, and the number of publications, publication and publication list. So this is it will be showcase our research finding to the community. So obviously you can see here. So what is the use of this research profile? Generally, I'm okay. This is I'm frequently using. Okay, I'm not using this ULA browser. I'm not used. So here I have such. Here you can see if you are searching your art that I have maintained all the research profile. Here you can see this is my profile. So Dr. Sathishkumar Shankar, this is my LinkedIn profile, this is IRNR profile, and this is my ScholarSgate profile. This is ResearchGate profile, this is a research profile, Loop profile, Facebook profile, Twitter profile, everything it will be showing. So it may be that if this is my new browser, I'm not used to this browser, I'm not searched these things in the previous. So otherwise it will be showing the browsing into history. So it will be, this is the things we can get, we can benefit, it will be beneficial from that research profile. So the collaborator and the researchers and institutional, they can easily identify our progress, and it will be more helpful for our promotion and securing job also. So finally, I want to conclude with my LinkedIn profile. So LinkedIn, already I mentioned that it's a big forum. So it will be easy to connect the researchers and the industrial person, and it will be that interdisciplinary collaboration. Everything it can be possible through the LinkedIn profile. So, but these things in the LinkedIn, everybody aware about the LinkedIn. So, but what are the things important? So your current affiliation should be uploaded here. So these things important. So if you are creating the profile, so in that profile you are keywords. So what is your current affiliation? What are the designation? What are the things you are done? What are the things you are doing? Everything you can mention here. So it will be easy to, these keywords only helpful for identify the researcher. It will be showing that it will be showing the list means. So based on the keywords only, it will be showing the list. So this is the most important. The profile picture also should be more clarity. And here you can see you link that Google Scholar. I have linked in my Google Scholar. If you have any websites you want to link here, so you can link, you can give the link here, and that future options available. I am organizing the workshop, so I have mentioned here. So any publication you have, you can mention over here. About, this is the most important things. About should be that clarity. It should be the clarity. So otherwise it is difficult to who you are. So the clarity, what is your designation, where you are completed, and what is your current research area focuses. And these are my post, and here you can see the experience. I can add my experience and the educational background, and the review certificate. This is the certificate. So if I obtained any license, any certificate means immediately I have upload to that LinkedIn. And what are the project I worked so far, and volunteer, what are the volunteer things I have done in my career, and the skills, what are the skill I have acquired from my research, and through that my education. And recommendation, there are six people are recommended to me. So they are written about myself, something what they are feel about my, and our collaboration, and our research work related things. So apart from the scholars gate communication also playing, some of the scholars gate communications also recommended to me. So these are all the things we can get from. So publications, you can add the publication here. And finally you can give that what is your status, what is your category. So education, science and technology. So these are all the things we can done from that LinkedIn profile. So things should be, the keywords is the most important, profile picture important, and rest of the things based on your need you can modify that. So it will be more helpful for you, because nowadays I'm really worried about that. As a mechanical civil, this core engineering student, they are facing the very trouble for acquiring job. So this type of the things we want to adapt that. So we want to make that profile effectively, and we can show that our profile make visible to everyone. So we will get the opportunity, we can work together. So it will be more helpful for you. So thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity. Do you have any queries? I'm really happy to answer that. If you have any queries, I'm really happy to answer that.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. How are you, sir?
Sir, fine, sir.
Yes.
Nice to hear you that well organized way you are presenting the research ideas, means different tools. Sir, one
Yes,
more
sir.
suggestion from your end. I have
Yes.
the Scopus ID, right?
Mm.
So now it is means that Scopus ID is not accessible by me. That means whenever I just opening my Scopus ID through login process. So I am not able to access the ID. So what I will do, sir?
Access the ID. First you can go, sir. Just 1 minute, sir. I will share my screen again. My screen is visible, right, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just 1 minute, sir. Sir, tell me your name, sir.
Sathishkumar Sahu.
In between the Santosh and Kumar space will come,
Yes, yes. SANTOSH.
right?
Yes, SANTOSH.
Yes, so SANTOSH.
So actually, it is showing that check access. So while I am going to that check access, so the response is like that some login credential window will coming. Then after I'll enter my credential, but it is navigating the different window showing that your account is merged. So like that.
Merge. Just 1 minute, sir. What's your affiliation, sir?
Current affiliation is that is VIT Bhopal University. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
VIT Bhopal Uni. This one, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. From your end it is showing, sir, but from my end, why it is not showing?
Sir, you can go. So you don't go to the sign in option first. So you can go for that authors option. So here you can see. So once you land this Scopus website.
Yes, sir.
Just 1 minute, sir. Here that's just 1 minute. Yes, sir. Once you go, once you land this page, sir, you can go the right side corner, search options available.
Yes.
Once you click the search option, so the author, you can select that there are different type of options available. You can go for the authors. So once you click the authors, you can mention your last name and first name.
So that is author search, right?
Yes, sir. Your name only.
Yes. In author search, last name and first name.
Yes,
then,
sir.
as you said, there are different other affiliation also coming.
Yes. Other things is
So
came now, sir. So you can go. Which?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I will click on that second part.
Which profile belongs to you? You can click that part. So once you click that part, here you can see, sir, edit profile options available. Okay, so you can give that edit profile. Then it is asking for sign in or create account. So once you click that, now it is asking for your email ID credential.
Okay.
It is asking us, sir, my email ID, my supervisor email ID is showing. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And just sir, back 1 second back, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, sir, H index 11. So while I'm clicking on that H index, it is not moving forward. That means that graph is not coming. From your end, it is coming now. From my screen, it is not coming. So
no, sir. You are. I think you are going. That is the thing, sir. You can go for author search. That is the way for this issue. You can go the author search. You can identify your profile. You can log in through the author search. It will be worked out.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Any other questions from participant side, please? Any other question from the participant side? I'm really happy to answer that. Otherwise, we can wind up the today webinar. Let me know about the today webinar. Kindly 1 or 2 feedbacks, if it is possible. whether it is useful. I have taken your 1 hour, so I want to give some content, worthwhile content for you. So whether it is useful or not, so kindly share your feedback. So within, yeah, thank you. Yes, sir. Please share your feedback through the mic. It will be more helpful for me. Any feedback, please?
Yes, okay.
Hello, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Useful webinar.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for valuable feedback. Any other feedbacks?
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Sir, this
Good
is
evening.
Preeti Sharma, research
Yes.
scholar from Ranchi University, Ranchi, Jharkhand.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it
How
was
are you,
a
ma'am?
very overwhelming session, sir. I was really not knowing for making such a research profile on so many platforms. I was only aware of Google Scholars and LinkedIn, Scopus only. So today I got to know about a lot of things. So it was a very wonderful session, and giving 1 hour was very worthful, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much for your wonderful word, ma'am. Thank you so much. This is most important to us, ma'am. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm Dr. Shudha Gosage.
Yes, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
When you were solving some query, I joined at that time because I
Okay.
was in the traveling because my college is very far away from this place. I
Okay, ma'am.
usually
Okay.
attend Scholars Gates events. These
Okay.
are very useful for the scholars. I
Yes,
always
ma'am.
recommend these events to my scholars that you should join these events. So
Mm-hmm.
for today's, I cannot comment anything, but your insights are really useful for the scholars.
Yes, ma'am.
That is my feedback. And
Yes,
if
ma'am. I will share the recording.
it is
Today,
possible, yeah,
within half an hour, I will share the recording. So you can
yeah,
utilize.
you can share the video recording to me so that I can share it with the scholars.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. PPT also I will share with you.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Any other feedback from the participant side, please? Okay, fine. So already we shared that 2 different type of the feedback, Google form and the Google review. So kindly submit both feedback. So it will be more helpful for us to playing the role in this research community. So apart from that, so if you are interested to join as a resource person in our forum, so already we shared that meet link also, that Google form link. So if you are interested, so if you are doctorate or if you are not doctor, that is not a problem. So if you have if you want to share something to the research community, so you can register. So we will contact you as soon as possible. We will plan your webinar as soon as possible. So thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity. Without your support, we are not here. So we are expecting continuous support from your end. So our another next webinar. So another workshop on workshop we are planned. Yeah, AI for data analytics and data visualization. So
Yeah. My suggestion is to organize some webinar on design of experiment, conduction of experiment, and
yes, ma'am. Yes,
experiment analysis using SPSS or such type of softwares. Means scholars
yes, ma'am.
should
Yes, ma'am.
know
Yeah.
in what condition,
Plan.
what type of data analysis can be performed. So means from basic to the advanced stats. That is my
Okay.
suggestion.
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
We are planning. Yes.
Yeah. Please share the feedback form on the WhatsApp group. I will
Sure.
join it soon. So I will
Sure.
fill the feedback. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Our another workshop, we are planned 3 days workshop for AI analytics and AI data analytics and data visualization. So if you are interested, you can join that workshop also. Apart from that, our next webinar, the free webinar, we are planned for digital marketing for LinkedIn, and that is also one of the visibilities of how we can marketing our research, how we will marketing our research profile. So we are planning that workshop also next month 17. 17th April 2026. That is a free workshop. So it's a free webinar. So I will share the link through the WhatsApp group. So please, if you are interested, you can join that webinar also. So I think I came the conclusion part. So thank you so much for giving this wonderful yes, ma'am.
I have, sorry to disturb you.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
I have one query that
Yes,
in the data visualization workshop, will you use some bibliometric software or it is stats based data visualization?
Bibliometric software, bibliometric software.
It is on bibliometric software, right?
Yes, yes, no, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Sir, I want
yes.
to say something.
Yes,
Sir,
yes, sir.
as you are telling that you are organizing a webinar on digital marketing, sir,
Yes, sir.
please share the information brochure in this webinar also,
Okay,
and
sir.
so that we can find the related information, sir. Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will share. I will share. This
Thank you, sir.
research, this WhatsApp group also added to our research community, sir, Scholars Gate community. So we will share all the detail through that WhatsApp group.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Yeah, okay. So kindly submit your valuable Google review and Google form feedback. So that will be most important to evaluate ourselves whether we are providing value content or not. So I think it will be more helpful for us to improve ourselves. So we are expecting cooperation from your side. So thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity. Already I crossed half an hour. So I'm really regretted that. So thank you for joining. Take care and bye bye. Rajesh.